Is it World War III? Possibly. Possibly. Sinabi na ni Trump, di ba, nung isang araw, sinabihan niya yung Prime Minister ng Japan. Ba't ko sasabihin sa inyo na aatakihin ko yung Iran? Sinabihan niyo ba yung Amerikano nung inatake yung Pearl Harbor? That's the POTUS, ladies and gentlemen. Referencing World War II in relation to the current multi-country conflict happening in West Asia, aka Middle East. So is it World War III? You tell me. Pero regardless, you know, war is an inevitability. As historians would say, as, you know, sociologists would say, war is inevitable. It's even scriptural, correct? So wars and rumors of wars. Translation ko sa rumors of war, fake news, misinformation. Okay? So, and I believe that's where we're at right now. And considering that, ano dapat ginagawa natin as mga Pilipino? Mga piling-pili at pinong-pino, the finest of the chosen ones. What are we to do? What are we to be? And the question is, for me, the most critical question as a survivor of a Category 5 storm with a recorded 90% devastation, yet 0.01% casualty. I would say the most important question you have to ask right now is, who do you believe? Do you believe in yourself? Do you believe in the government? Do you believe in other people? Or do you believe the highest one? Siya nawa.